What's good, YouTube? Today we're starting a video off on a little POV drive on I-64. We're in a fucking police car today. Let's fucking get it, guys. So we're gonna see how many people get over for us. So, yeah. Right now we're freaking mobbing. So let's see. Maybe bro's gonna get over. Challenger behind us. Oh, bro got over. Okay. That's a W. That's a W, bro. She's like, it was a girl. She was like nodding her head, looking over. I guess she thought I was a cop. Like I said, guys, we're in the cop car today. It's just something slight for today. A little slight daily. This car's actually very fun to drive. I think the next video I might like go car shopping. Not actually buy anything, but just to go look around for something future, something for the future. The old Ram over there, and there's an old school right there. Fuck. Old school Chevy.
Oh, hell no, man. What the fuck, man? Get your ass on.
Alright, guys, this is where we have to like slow down because like all the troopers are here. So, look at a little 350Z. Type shit. Okay, it looks like there's not a oh, there is a fucking trooper there. No! Alright. Let's see if there's traffic. If there's traffic, that would be so cool. Alright, vlog, we're back. Picking up the vlog, well, the POV drive. So right now we're about to hit the tunnel. And I think today we're going to change the oil on the car. So that's probably going to be the topic of today's video. So I'll just do a little bit of more POV of us going through the tunnel type shit. And then we're going to like fucking totally change our oil today, because why not? So you got those ladders on those trucks always scare me, dude. I always think like the ladder's gonna fall down. It actually happened to me one time. There was some van and like the ladder literally fell off of the van and he was like right in front of me and it almost like went through my windshield type shit on some Final Destination shit. Chat. I should get a Hellcat. I should be like every basketball American. Who knows? A little Challenger still behind me, or they'll get over, or they'll drive slow in front of me. But it doesn't look like the Challenger's passed. No! It's a scat pack. Oh, bro's passing. Wait, that is not a scat. Wait, what the fuck? It is a scat bag. It had a 1320 badge on it. I go on the side. off on our exit. No cap. Yeah, now bro's gonna start mobbing now that he sees me getting off. That's typically how it goes. And we're gonna slow down very fast. Holy crap. Fun fact, I always wanted a Honda Accord in this, like, that year, this generation. I think this is like a 2013 in front of me. I wanted like a V6 Accord. I just never got it. I got this thing instead. What are those black brothers talking about? Alright, YouTube, it's hours later, but we're finally like about to go get the oil right now. But yeah, I'm about to hit up AutoZone. I'm about to get this oil, and either in this next clip or in the next video, I'm gonna change the oil. The sun's about to go down, so I don't know if I'm changing it today or not, but I might squeeze it in. Ugly boy.
Oh, hell no, man. What the fuck, man? Get your ass on.
Yo, why are those people running? No! And why is she running like that? Dang, I could have been win. Yeah, this intersection is so weird because there's still like cars that come down the road over there. And this is the last car coming, and of course she's turning. Hurry up. Here we go. Let's do a little quick, little pull real quick. That was about 60. No! Yeah, Chad, this car's a little, like, it's a little fast. We're just gonna slow down because the speed limit is like 40 miles per hour, so that was a little pull right there. So this car is like actually good for like a little sedan, I guess. When you gotta pull out in front of people who are like coming at you at like 40 miles per hour instead of like slowly accelerating and have them smash into the back of you. You just get this car and then slam on the gas and then bam, you're up to 60 miles per hour. Chad. You always got these motherfuckers working on their cars outside of the Advance Auto, which is funny. I don't think I'll ever like work on my car outside of Advance Auto. And there we go. Now we're here. Alright, so we're just gonna turn off our car and we're gonna get the show on the road. Alright, vlog. We're in goddamn Advance Auto, and judging by looking, I don't think they have the oil filter. Oh, they do. Okay. I'm gonna get this FL500S Motorcraft. We are looking for we are looking for Motorcraft 5W20, and I don't see it. Alright, chat. I don't know if you guys can see, but Advance Auto didn't have our 5W20 motorcraft oil, so we're going to go to AutoZone. And turn right. There you go, there's AutoZone, chat. Now, AutoZone should have the oil. They don't, then I don't know why. But, yeah. Alright, chat, we secured the oil. It's right there. So now we're about to go. And we got a motherfucker behind us. Alright. Let's back out this parking lot. Do not get crashed in the seat. The thing about having a police car is you don't have to, your right hand doesn't have to be free. Because the shifter's like right there. But let's let these motherfuckers drive through. It's a lot of people. But we have one more stop, chat, before we can go to the house. Yo, chat, you guys think I should invest in like a darn POV camera? Well, like, not a camera, but like the mount that you put on your head or your body for your phone. I think that'll be actually funny, walking around with that. Yeah. Holy crap, I think this light is gonna take forever. If we get lucky, we'll get back to the house before it's dark. American cars in general just aren't that reliable. I haven't had really any bad issues with this car, but we're only at like 63,000 miles. So, and I know you guys are like, how the freak did you find a retired police car 60,000 miles? Well, I actually got it with 46,000 miles. So yeah, and it's been very reliable. Other than like a few minor things. Like I just recently replaced the headlight bulb. But that's about it. I'll probably make a video of like some things I hate about this car, like a pros and cons video. Drop a like if you guys want to see that. Pros and cons of driving a retired police car. Actually, like 2 weeks ago, I had this car. I was on another road, and I was going like pretty much the speed limit. And this car pulls out in front of me, and they don't even accelerate, and I literally had to slam on my brakes, guys. Like, people are so relentless on the road nowadays. So yeah, and I came like this close into smacking into her. This close. So yeah. Holy crap. Alright, there we go. Ooh, and the light is green. Why are you braking? You just decided you had to turn. I need to invest in a dash cam, chat. Because I catch a lot of things just by driving. Whether it's sketchy or like me almost crashing because of somebody else's ignorance or whatever. You catch a lot of stuff, chat. And I think it would be funny to like make a dash cam channel. I also need to wash my car, chat. A lot of birds have been pooping on my car, and I've just like neglected to wash it. So I think that's gonna be the next video, chat. I'm gonna wash my car next video. So be prepared for that. Great fender on the red car. Alright, chat, we're about to hit up the 7-Eleven that's up here, and then we're gonna go, and then the next clip we should be changing the oil. So I'll see you guys when we're changing the oil. Alright, chat, well, shit, we have the materials right now, so we're just I'm gonna get everything rocking. I'm gonna change I'm gonna drain the oil. I'll catch you guys when I fill it up, just because you know, your boy's hands are getting a little bit oily and I don't want to touch my phone. So yeah, chat, we're just gonna do that quickly. We got our little drain pan. It's like advanced auto ass shit. With some AutoZone ass jack stands and jack. Little fill funnel. We got our Motorcraft stuff. I only rock Motorcraft. So yeah, chat.